Hello, and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the 0.5 seconds instant read digital meat thermometer, a must-have tool for any kitchen enthusiast. This thermometer boasts a lightning-fast response time of 0.5 seconds or less, allowing you to get accurate temperature readings in a fraction of the time compared to other products. With professional-grade accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, you can ensure your meats are cooked to perfection without the risk of overcooking. The 180 degrees rotating display is a standout feature, providing a clear, backlit view from any angle, making it ideal for both right and left-handed users. Designed with convenience in mind, the thermometer is IP67 waterproof and features a non-slip handle, so you can wash it worry-free and maintain a firm grip even with wet hands. Thanks to its lift-to-wake function, the device springs to life when picked up, and it conserves battery with an auto-off feature that activates after 120 seconds of inactivity. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this digital meat thermometer is engineered to enhance your culinary experience with precision and ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.